the van man. Where's your golf cart, van man?
Well, you see, it's not how us big hitters roll.
So you brought a Buick Enclave onto the golf course?
Nice, huh?
It's gorgeous.
Hey, look, here comes my caddy.
Is he four-wheeling out of that sand trap in his GMC Terrain?
It's a Van Buick GMC in Scottsdale.